Thank you, Anthony. Today, we stand here in the presence of rising stars who are shaping the future of Philippine sports. It's my pleasure to welcome you, our esteemed guests, Philippine Sports Commission Chairman Patrick Gregorio, Philippine Paralympic Committee President Michael Barredo, Philippine Olympic Committee Treasurer Dr. George Carlas, Philippine Olympic Committee Board Member Alice Sulit. We're also honored by the presence of PSC Commissioner Walter Torres, Nickel Asia Corporation Senior Vice President Jose Bayani Bailon, MVP Sports Foundation Executive Director Paulo Trillo, Celogistics Chairman and Philippine Athletics Track and Field Association President Derek Capistrano, former DILG Secretary Rafael Aluna III of Taekwondo, National Sports Association leaders who came here today, the coaches, the trainers, our guests, the parents, and above all, our young and junior athletes who celebrate today. This marks the 5th edition of the Siglab Youth Sports Awards. This is a stage reserved for excellence, a spotlight for our young and junior athletes. Naalala ko nung una naming in-organize itong Siglab Youth Sports Awards 8 years ago. Ang mga awardees namin back then, si Hidilyn Diaz as our Sports Idol of the Year. Carlos Yulo was twice recognized as the Gymnastics Award of the Year. And then of course we had EJ Obiena ng Track and Field Athletics. We also had Yuka Sasso of Golf and Alex Ayala of Tennis. Kaya naman nung nanalo si Hidilyn Diaz ng first gold medal natin noong 2021 sa Tokyo, nakapag-post kagad ako ng photo na kasama ko si Hidilyn Diaz. Same thing that happened last year nung nanalo si Kaloy ng kanyang first gold medal. I vividly remember